I'm not being ratchet. This is my issue. That's my issue.
Oh, the police is at him.
I think this is so cool. All right, so here's my little TA dilemma. Here's my TA dilemma. Oh, it just clicked. Oh, here are my gloves. There's my. Oh my god. You grab my gloves. Yeah. Now you asking, oh, Mr. Kenji, why the freak hell do you do shit like this? Huh? Why you gotta be so ratchet? I'm not being ratchet. This is my issue. That's my issue. Yeah. I didn't notice before I did it. I was like, oh, this is taped off. Ain't nothing serious. I get over here, I'm like, the only thing you can get me on this, your motherfucking ass was paying attention, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it like this. I don't think I want to top it off. I'll top it off a little bit. It don't matter to me. Let me hurry up and get the hell out of here. But yeah, so if all you truck drivers who don't know, you can do a little bullshit like this, you can. It looks ratchet doing it, and it's safer not to do it. Fuck would you do something like this, Mr. Price? Mr. Kenji? Yeah, let's see. Here we go. Be careful. You don't want to spill it on the muffler. There you go. There you go. Hey, now for this side. For this side. Yeah. Just fucking shit, right? So yeah, that's my little big dilemma. Oh shit. Oh, yeah. Like a charm. Not to mention, this one has some people thing out here. I don't want to because you hear this wind, right? So yeah. But you know, there's not too many bright people out here like me. But I figured shit out. So I'm done with that side. I'm doing this side. That takes twice as long. But hey, we can do it. Okay, so my biggest question is, how did he make it out there with no snow on the ground? You made it out there with no snow on the ground. Shame on you. Why? Why? Cops pulled you over? Oh, you in there with your... Oh, no. He in there with his hand on his chin, like he's trying to figure it out himself. It's too late for that.